Oh yeah, okay, here's another one. It's this is going to be the Fibonacci time zones. Okay, and I've never really used this one before, to be quite honest with you. I've put it on the chart, but I don't find it really that useful. The consistency of it is not there. Alright, so what you basically need to go do is go to your insert area, go to your Fibonacci, and go to your time zone. And you want to take it from one extreme to the next. And what I mean by that is from one high to the next low. And what will happen is that you'll see that the Fibonacci numbers down the bottom will start showing up, and there will be this vertical line there. Now, where these lines meet are supposed to represent major swing areas. Alright, so we've taken it from this high to this low. So the next thing we're supposed to see is that this is supposed to go up, and then from here it's supposed to come back down. But you know, it didn't. So you take this at your own kind of, you know, face value really. Alright, and up here you can see where it's basically stopped and reversed. So you can see for some time it does kind of give you a little bit of heads up on when the market's going to change, but it's not 100% reliable. Alright, and here's another one up here. Okay, and we can keep on moving, and there's another one, and here's another one, and we can keep on going until there's no more. But this will just keep on going. There's so many Fibonacci numbers, just doesn't ever stop. It just keeps going. It's a never-ending set of numbers. Alright, but yeah, I mean, there's not really much I can say about this particular indicator really. I suppose you would probably need to use it in conjunction with other maybe we could do it with this, see how this works. Okay, I guess we could use it in conjunction with the arc tool to get an approximate time and area where the market could actually possibly change. But the arcs don't really go out that far. I haven't really found any distinct patterns with using them with more than one kind of tool here, but anyway, for the most part, I mean, as I say, this is just supposed to let you know when there are going to be potential reversals in the market when these levels have actually been reached. Alright, so this will probably be the first and only last time that you'll probably watch this video, because this time zone isn't really worth something that you would probably use into your day-to-day trading anyway. Alright, so I'll leave you with that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.